get the medicine on the screen, Tussibrox, to take care of your sore throat, your cough, your cold, your catarrh, and your flu. Remember, when taking this medication, take it in addition with polyvitamin. Polyvitamin contains vitamin C, all B vitamins, zinc to boost your immune system, B vitamin for your nerves. It also contains all vitamins needed for the body. Get these two medication, or anytime you cough or you catch cold, you can get this medicine to take care of your condition. You can get this from Ecos Pharmacy located in Ashaiman, or Little George Healthcare in Tema Community 2, Top Up Pharmacy in Community 2, Top Up Pharmacy located in Airport Residential, Top Up Pharmacy at Kaswa New Market, Top Up Pharmacy all across. Kindly call the number on the screen for a purchase, or locate them at Spintex opposite Texpo Market. The name of the place is Health Zone.